Good morning, world history. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, and today is our first asynchronous day with this new schedule. So, the plan for today is for you to complete the Exploring China's Geography assignment. If you are in periods 1 and 6, you will watch up until the time marker I have in the comments below. And if you are in period 2, you are going to watch this whole thing because your assignment is a little bit longer. If you are in period 5 and you happen to be watching this, you already did this assignment, so you have a self paced Nearpod today. But for the rest of you in periods 1, 2, and 6, keep watching. So let's get into it. So today's assignment is called Exploring China's Geography. You're going to open it up with Cami. All right, so this first page is something very similar to what we did at the beginning of the week. It is a chart where you're going to tell me what you already know about China and what you would like to know. At this point, you know a lot more than you did on Monday. At least I hope you do. So I would like you to tell me 3 things that you know about China that you have learned over the past couple of days. And I would like at least 3 more questions about what you would like to know now that you have a little bit more background knowledge. Again, to use Cami, just make sure you have the text box activated, and then you get to click anywhere on the page where you want your text to be. On the second page, we have this map, and we'll be using this map for the next 5 questions, which are all about relative location. Relative location is when we describe where a place is in relationship to another place. So, for instance, relative location could be Philadelphia is west of New Jersey. When we talk about relative location, we use words like north, east, west, south, northeast, northwest, what have you. So we are going to stick with the words that are up here in this word bank at the top of this page. So the first question asks us to describe the location of China relative to 2 regions. Now, the regions that are being talked about on this map, as you'll see, are all in caps. So the regions include the Middle East, India, Southeast Asia, Japan, and the Korean Peninsula. You can also include continents in there if you wish. So if you would like to include Europe, Asia, and Africa in there, that is fine with me. So you're going to select 2 of those regions. Again, those are in all caps. So let's say I'm going to choose the Middle East and India. And I need to describe where those locations are in relation to China, which is this area in green. So remember, we're going to use the directions north. So remember, we are going to use the directions north, south, east, and west. So looking at India in relationship to China, I see that it is below China. So if I look at my compass rose, which I've drawn for myself here, if I'm looking at something that is below, I'm going to say it is south. We can think of the directions north, south, east, and west like up, down, left, and right. So just think of it, it might be easier to think of it that way. Also, if we were to look at Japan, we would say Japan is to the right of China on this map. So we're going to say it is east of China. So that's what we would do for the regions. Next, we are going to do the same thing, describe the location of China relative to 2 oceans. So the oceans are in bold text, not all caps. We have the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. So we only have 2. So where are those in relationship to this green area here? North, south, east, or west? Then we have 2 other bodies of water. Our 2 other bodies of water may include the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the South China Sea, the East China Sea, or the Yellow Sea. So you have 5 options, but you're only going to select 2 to talk about. and tell me in relationship to China, again, that area in green, are they north, south, east, or west? And then two land based geographic features. Just like the oceans, you only have two to choose from. Land based geographic features are highlighted in yellow, and those are the Mongolian steppe and the Himalaya mountains. So, again, tell me in relationship to China, are they north, south, east, or west? In this final question, number 5, you are going to select 4 of the geographic features or locations that you have already talked about. You've already talked about 8: 2 regions, 2 oceans, 2 other bodies of water, and 2 land based geographic features. So that's 8. So, of those 8, you are going to select 4 and just put everything together in a paragraph. You're just going to take what you've already written and just put it into one cohesive paragraph. And that's it. At this point, if you are in periods 1 or 6, you're done. But if you're in period 2, keep watching. So we have this, what geographic features exist in China and how might those features have affected the development of classical civilizations in China. So we have 5 different features, A through E. And they're all described here. So you're going to read a blurb about each of these geographic features, like the Taklamakan Desert. So read this little paragraph here on it, and then explain using your text tool, just as in a sentence, what effect might this geographic feature have had on trade between China and the West. Same thing with the Himalaya Mountains. We have 2 questions here. You're going to read that blurb, answer this based on this blurb here. Gobi Desert, Yellow River, and the Yangtze River. So this last page here, don't worry about doing this. We're just going to forget this page. Once you're done with question number 5 on this page here with the Yangtze River, period 2, you are done. So if you need any assistance with this assignment today, I'm free from 12 to 3. So I'm happy to schedule a one-on-one with you if you would like that support. And also, I have office hours until 4. So please let me know if you need any assistance, and I will see you all live tomorrow. Have a great day.